To get started in your data collection, you will first need to download the Survey 123 Field app if you don't already have it on your phone. Once you have the app installed, you can scan these QR codes to download the HWA Survey Program Point Collection Survey form and the HWA Volunteer Hours form. These will automatically download onto your device. You can click Continue without signing in on the opening screen of Survey 123. You will look for hemlock woolly adelgid for however long you would like on your chosen trail. Check trees within a 10-foot radius around the trail you are on. Detections and non-detections are both very important. Check as many trees as you can or would like to fill out the data collection point for each tree. Before we walk you through step by step of the survey form, let's show you how to measure the hemlock trees. Measuring hemlock trees while looking for HWA is helpful for prioritizing management, assessing tree health, and understanding the impact of HWA on the ecosystem. For this survey, we are asking you to measure small, medium, and large trees. To measure the hemlock tree, you'll need a tape measure or pre-measured rope or string and wrap it around the trunk. If you don't have either of these tools, it is okay to eyeball your estimation. We're going to show you how to cut your own length of rope or string and give you the exact measurements needed.
First, you will take your length of string or rope and measure it to 63 inches. Here's a hint, 31.5 plus 31.5 equals 63. This is the size of a medium tree. Anything above 63 inches is a large tree. Now you will take your cut length and mark it at 16 inches. Any tree this size would be classified as a small tree. After this, you're ready to survey. You will open the survey on your phone and hit collect. You will enter the date, your full name, your IMAP Invasives ID or email if you have an account with them, the site you are at, such as the name of the preserve, park, or property, and if you know the name of the trail you are on, you can enter that as well. Finally, enter the type of property. If you don't know, make your best guess. Make sure you click on the small compass on the tree location map. It automatically collects your location, but this helps with accuracy. Enter the measurement method you are using and the tree size after measuring. At this site, we didn't detect any HWA, but for the purposes of this video, we are going to pretend like we did and hit detected. Take your best estimate of what you think the canopy health looks like, and then enter an estimate of how many egg sacs are on the branch tip. After that, we will have you take an observation photo for each detection so we can confirm them. Leave any relevant comments or information you have in the comments box. Finally, you can save this to your outbox while you're in the field. After you're done on the trail, go to your outbox and click Send. This allows all of your data to be submitted. We are also asking you to track how many hours you are out for our metrics. You'll fill out this form each time you collect points. To calculate your hours, go off the amount of time you were actively searching for HWA on the trail. If you took a half-hour-long picnic, you don't need to calculate that. Just enter the date, your name, and how many hours you were out surveying for HWA. You can send this form immediately. If you want to make your life a bit easier, you can save your favorite answers each time you go out. You just open up the survey at the beginning of the trail, enter the date, your name, IMAP Invasives ID or email, if that's relevant to you, site name, trail name, again, if that is relevant to the trail you're on, and the property type. Then you click in the top right corner and hit Set as Favorite Answers. You'll exit the survey and save this one in your drafts. Then, each time you survey that day, you can open up the form, click that top right corner, and say Paste Answers from Favorite. All you need to do is update it each time you go out.
The Hemlock Woolly Adelgid Survey Program runs from mid-December to the end of April, and in January, we're going to be having a virtual training to help you get started. All of the materials are also going to be available on our website for you to look at anytime you want to. And the final fun part, we're going to be hosting many in-person workshops across the region with different partner organizations, so come join us on one of those. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about Hemlock woolly adelgid and for helping us protect these remarkable trees. Together, we can preserve our forests for future generations. Thank you!